Okay, what is recursion? The idea of recursion is that recursion is a problem-solving process that breaks a problem into identical but smaller problems. For example, you originally need to handle 1,000 items, but now you only need to handle 5 items. You're doing the same thing, but the size is getting much smaller. So when compared with 1,000 items, when you're handling 5 items, it will be much easier. A method that calls itself is a recursive method, and the invocation is a recursive call. So there are two terms you need to distinguish. One is recursion, and another one is iteration. Recursion methods call itself. The name is the same. Iteration method contains a loop, just like you make use of for loop or while loop to go through a list of items. That you have already learned how you can make use of for loop to go through a list in an array or in a linked list. So let's see a first simple example. It is the factorial function. Okay, the n exclamation mark is equal to 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 and to n minus 1 up to n, where n is the positive integer. So in a recursive definition, we would say like this: fn is equal 1 if n equals 1, and else if fn is actually equal to n times fn minus 1. So if we put it as a